meghalayapost.news.
Keyboard Pynwai District kari Bhoi harikat ke Jal Jiwan Mission bat kitrat rekam sarkar prepare lingba ke niti ayog kila penkut Noh Iaka Jingrakhe Jal Utsav kebadai ke program banyalap ni pensung thu pajba halor ke jingkodor jangko umbam umdi ban penpoi umbam umdi haman githriging ke balaya mental lakhatsan sengi kata nadukan riuterik naiweng arajar arpsau hagani ke program ke balak pulang ha parish hall jangko St Paul Higher Secondary School lawan banashimenta du Marquis Marak Menteri Ketenat PHE Kumkongsan, Hak Jingadanlang Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner Garibay District, Kakong B. Lindem, Chief Engineer Ketenat PHE Shillong, Nalor Kibay de, Ki Officer Jiketenat Trikam Repair, Ki Nohinkai but Ki Kena School. Habakren Hagani Gisi, Abhilash Baranwal, Kum DC, Lapentip, Bagaribay District, Kabla Yo Yakajingit Ho, Kum Kaway, Niki Arpautli Ki, Aspirational District, Hakari, Banyo Barake Iaka Jal Utsav, Lanega Program, Ban Pesung Thu Pajba, Haloga Jingkodor, Ko Umbam Umdi, Ban Yadai Kitolong Barkajing Tmu, Jangga Jal Jiwan Mission, Ban Penpoi Umbam Umdi, Haman Gitri Yang Brew. Nagalang Marquis Marak kum Menteri Ketenat PHE ula Iaka Jingrakhe igi Bor Pynwai District berketenat terikam sarkar prepare jangka ni ke district kibala simkhia ban pelong ya kani ke program ke bajob kibalong ru kat kum ke jingi jenga jung menteri rangba du kari Narendra Modi badan ya kathong ban penne pensa ya ke umbam umdi ban penpoi chaman gi thriwing de ke bakhin ko ru ya ke hagani ke singi la sam ru ik snam sikinong job kibala simenta ke jingi ko prepare limba ke Jal Utsav bala sam ru igitiar ban khmi benya ya ke jinglong jangka sha kinong yo benta
born out of the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi during the Chief Minister's Conference, Chief Secretary's Conference in 2023. He discussed the idea that water conservation has to be made a social movement, wherein every stakeholder, whether it's somebody who is a consumer or whether these are the government departments or private agencies, everyone has to come together in order to ensure that the water conservation is made a daily life habit. So in line with the vision which was enshrined by our Honorable Prime Minister, Niti Aayog launched Jal Utsav in collaboration with all departments, various state governments, etc. Sir, it's a 15-day program that started on 6th of November. The launch activity in Bhoi district was in Yomolong, sir, which is urban water supply scheme. Today it marks the culmination of the 15-day long program. Sir, this is for your kind information, sir, that out of 106 aspirational districts across the country, Jal Utsav has been launched in only 20 districts, sir, out of which Bhoi is one. And it only speaks volumes about how highly people from Bhoi and Meghalaya are rated when it comes to water conservation activities, that the central government and Niti Aayog deemed it fit to include Bhoi in the 20 districts where Jal Utsav has been launched in this week, sir. Sir, as I've already said, sir, it was launched on 6th of November in Bhoi district. Ever since that, sir, there has been numerous activities which have been carried out. It has called for participation and active involvement of various line departments, whether it is health department, education, water resources, PHE of course being the nodal department, soil and water conservation department, MSSDS. So it has been a collective effort. The overall emphasis is to make sure that water conservation does not remain the whole preserve of the government or its vertical exercise. It becomes something which is included in the habits of people as they go on for their day-to-day life, sir. So we started with, sir, on 6th of November, sir, when it was launched. Thereafter, sir, it started a string of activities which included again all line departments. So for example, sir, I'll read out the activities which were carried out, sir, in different, from our administration side, we try to ensure that these activities are carried out at different corners of the district so as to make it an entire district movement sort of thing, sir. So on 7th of November, cleaning of Jal Sampada assets by individual departments were carried out, sir, under which 11 Jal Sampada assets were cleaned. Chlorination was carried out in 8 schemes and 2 leakage points were identified and fixed, showcasing a strong start to operational improvements in the water system, sir. Thereafter, Jal Sanchay Divas. Sanchay means conservation. So, Water Conservation Day was celebrated on 8th of November, in which various participants were identified for 3 schemes. Four source sanitation surveys were conducted and 30 schools and colleges were inventoried for rainwater harvesting activities, sir.
Tradition of Jal Utsav. His vision is rooted in the belief that water must be regarded as a matter of prime importance in every household and community. This event, organized in collaboration with Niti Aayog, various ministries, state governments, is a realization of that vision. I am proud to state that Pynwai district has been selected as one out of the 20 aspirational districts selected from across the country to host this transformative program. The active participation of the district administration under the leadership of Sri Abhilash Paranwal, the PHE department, teachers, students, other departments, self-help groups, the community, and others involved reflects the true spirit of Jan Andolan, our people's movement. The diverse activities conducted under this campaign, from workshop to competitions and community initiatives, showcase a united effort towards sustainable water management. The action plans implemented during this campaign deserve special recognition. A few highlights include the launch of Jal Utsav at the Nongbo Urban Water Supply Treatment Plant, involving teachers and students across schools to spread awareness and instill a sense of responsibility in younger generations. This initiative, such as cleaning Jal Sampada assets undertaken by individuals in villages like Sarikushi, Nomrim, Jimni, and many more, emphasizing community-driven action. The Fix the Leak program, ensuring zero leakage in water supply systems in multiple areas like Nongladyu, Patharkhama, and Umsho Kriya. The unique Pair Makanam initiative where 10 trees in Nomjali and 10 in Kri Nong were planted in honor of mothers, symbolizing the nurturing role they play and need to care for our environment. Awareness programs on water and health conducted at CHCs and PHCs across the district, integrating health and water conservation. These activities have not only enhanced awareness but also fostered a culture of accountability toward water conservation and management.
MeghalayaPost.news